Hi everyone, I am Stegy. Welcome to School News Talk. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter as matter around us pure. We are here about the term pure. What do you mean by pure? As a common person, pure means there is no impurities there. According to scientists, all things are made up of mixtures, so they are not pure. If scientists say that something is pure, that means the constituent particles are the same in chemical nature. A pure substance is made up of a single type of particles. We look around us, we can see different type of matter existing in the form of mixtures. That is made up of two or more pure substances. Example, sea water, minerals, or soil, air, etc. What is mixtures? Mixtures is combined to form two or more. The mixtures are the combination of two or more pure substances, but they are not combined chemically. That is a mixture. Okay. The features of mixtures is that they can easily be separated. The next features is that the constituent particles show their original properties. The dissolved sodium chloride can separate through the physical process of evaporation. But we cannot separate sodium chloride through the physical process into its constituent particles. Sodium chloride itself is a pure substance. Like sugar. Sugar is also pure substance and they have uniform composition throughout. The drinking soft drinks, soil, air, they have include different type of two or more pure substances. According to the constituent particles included in the mixture, we have different type of mixtures. For that, we take 4 beakers with 50 ml of water. In the first one, we add 50 ml of water and copper sulfate, 1 spatula. Here we add 50 ml of copper sulfate, 50 ml of water and copper sulfate, 2 spatula. Then we add 50 ml of water and different amount of copper sulfate plus sodium chloride. In 4 cases, we take first the 2 cases, 2 beakers. We add copper sulfate into 1 beaker 1 and 2. We get the colored solutions. The particles of copper sulfate completely dissolve the water and form a colored solution. So the copper sulfate particles are uniformly arranged in the beaker 1 and 2. There is some difference in between the beaker 1 and 2. There is a color change. So in the first case, first we add 1 spatula of copper sulfate. In second beaker we add 2 spatula of copper sulfate. So the color is darker in second beaker. So we also can say that solutions have different compositions. This type of solution is known as homogeneous solution. we are moving on to the third and fourth beaker. The copper sulfate and sodium chloride added different amount in both of them. So the composition are different. That is non-uniform composition. This type of solutions are called heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixtures. Okay. What is the difference between? Next we are going to discuss what is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures have the particles of homogeneous mixtures are uniformly distributed and they have uniform composition. No apparent boundaries of division. For example, vinegar. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the heterogeneous. In this, the particles are mixed well, but we can see in our bare eye or under microscope. Irregular composition of particles. The boundaries of the particles we can see easily. For example, milk, blood, milk, etc. Okay. We already seen that different type of mixtures are there. For that we take again 4 beakers with water named as A, B, C, D. In first case we add copper sulfate, also add copper sulfate in it, few crystals. Here also we add copper sulfate on spatula. Here we take chalk powder. In the fourth beaker we take milk. As we discussed about the previous experiment, in the case of A and B, we get the solution. The particles are uniformly arranged. There is only difference between the intensity of color. This is known as solution. In the third beaker, we add some chalk powder. We can see the particles of the chalk powder. The particles are settled down after certainly not disturb the beaker. In the fourth one, milk. We cannot see the particles. We cannot see the particles. We can see the particles. It is very minute, but we can see observing through a microscope. But it does not settle down. In the third case, this type of mixture is called colloid. Sorry, it is settling down. Chalk powder will settle down when we undisturb the beaker. So it is called suspension. In the fourth case, if it does not settle down, we can see the particles in it. It is called colloid. These are another type of mixtures. In our textbook, there is 2 questions are there. What is a substance? Substance is a particular kind of matter with uniform properties. Second one, what is the difference between heterogeneous solutions and homogeneous solutions? What is the difference? First one is homogeneous. First one is the particles of the solution is uniformly distributed. In the case of heterogeneous, they mix well, but we can see in our diagram. Okay. Next one is uniform composition. In heterogeneous, there is irregular composition. Next one is the boundaries of separation. Here no apparent boundaries of division. Okay. In the case of heterogeneous, we can see the boundaries. Boundaries of division. Okay, these are the difference between homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Example for homogeneous mixtures are seawater and vinegar. Example for heterogeneous mixtures are blood, milk. Okay, these are the difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous. Next we recall the points today we discussed. First one is that what is mixtures? Mixtures are combined to form two or more pure substance, not combined chemically. That is mixtures. What is the features? They can separate easily and they show the constituent particle shows their original properties. Next we are discussing about two mixtures, that is homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. They are in homogeneous mixtures uniformly distributed. The particles have uniform composition, no apparent boundaries of division. Okay. In heterogeneous, the particles are mixed well. We can see it our bare and irregular composition. We can see the boundaries of separation or division. Okay, and their examples. Next, we discussing about another three type of mixtures, that is solution, colloid, suspension. These three mixtures we discuss in our next class. Okay, thank you.